Hi lovelies, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this delicious assorted meat and fish palm nut soup. This is so delicious and you will love it at the end of this video. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so next I'm going to start by steaming my meat, and for my proteins I'm going to use this cow foot or cow feet. It's very hard, so I have already pre-cooked it, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my salted pork and salted beef, and I'm also going to add in my fresh beef as well. You can use any protein for this recipe. I'll also add in my pomo or my wele. This is cow skin, yes. And for seasoning, I'm going to go in with some pepper soup spice mix. To that, I'll go in with some homemade all-purpose seasoning. I'll list the recipe in the description box for you to check it out. I'll also go in with some garlic paste and some ginger paste, and the seasoning is always to your taste. Okay, so next I'll add in my tomato paste. I'll also go in with 3 medium-sized onions. I'll also go in with some fresh tomatoes. You can omit one of the tomatoes if you don't want too much tomatoes in your soup, okay? Add some salt to it, a little bit of water to steam this very well. Remember, we are using hard protein, so the water you add to it is very important. After 10 minutes of steaming it, this is how it looks like. It's not ready yet, so I'm going to give this a very good mix. Cover it again and allow it to cook for extra 20 to 30 minutes. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video yet, kindly do like this video and please do share as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after 20 minutes of steaming the meat and the vegetables, it is nice and soft. So I'm going to remove the vegetables and blend until it is very smooth. But I didn't add in pepper. I've already cooked it already, so I'm going to add in my fresh pepper. You can use powdered pepper if you want, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and while you're subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell also and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so after removing the vegetables, I added in my palm fruit juice, and I have a full detail of how to make palm nut soup, especially how you're going to extract your palm kernel from your palm fruit. Okay, so I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. I added in my blended vegetables, and I'm going in with my dry fish. For the dry smoked fish, you can use any fish at all, either fresh fish, any fish. Feel free to use it, okay? It's your own soup, so feel free to express yourself in your own unique way. I added in my Idan fruit or my precursor to give my soup extra flavor. Now allow this soup to cook for about 40 minutes until you see oil settles on top beautifully. And as I was cooking the soup, I turned up the flame to do something else, but the soup is not ready. That's why you see oil has settled on top beautifully. So I'll go in with my apature. I don't know the English name for it, so if you know, just drop it in the comment section down below, okay? I added in my okra, and as usual, you know I don't joke with my fufu, so obviously this soup is not going waste without eating it with fufu. Let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this kind of palm nut soup. You can enjoy this with banku, rice ball, yam, just name it. You can enjoy with anything. This soup goes well with everything. So the soup is ready. As you can see, it's looking very palatable and very appetizing. All right, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new babies right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing, and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, kindly do that and be part of this beautiful family. So now all what is left is for us to serve and enjoy this special fufu with palm nut soup. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.